Hello everyone, my name is Nick, and in this video we will talk about the Everywhere is Cool app. So I would like to review this application and I will show you how to install it and how to use this app. So let's get started. And first of all, let's install this application from Play Store or App Store if you're an iOS user. And now at the very top you can find the search box. So by using it, let's find the apps page. Just type here the app's name and here it is. And finally we can easily install it, so just click on the install button at the very top. And by the way, here you can read more about this application. It's pretty new app, as you can see, only 300 reviews and about 50k downloads, and this is how the app looks like. If you scroll down a little bit, you'll see other people's reviews, and to be honest, all they are so good. So for example, amazing concept, this app has a friendly layout and has useful information. Almost all comments are good. And now after the installation process, you can easily open it. Let's do it. Click on the open button and here it is. So on the homepage you can sign up or log in. If you have an account, just click on the login button. But if you haven't, just click on sign up. And here you need to type your email address and create a password. And click on the create account button. Also you need to enter your chosen name, pronouns, phone and zip code. And after that you can click on the save my profile button. Finally, we can start using this app. So this is how the app looks like. At the very bottom you can find 5 tabs. So let's take a closer look at the last one. This is my profile, as you can see, and here you can find all information about your profile page. You can of course edit just by clicking on the first button. Of course you can add or edit business or job listing here, and also you can log out. The next step is jobs, so here at the very top you can search for the necessary job or just swipe down and find the necessary one. This is how the jobs page looks like, and probably by clicking on the apply to job button you can chat with this company. The next step is a map, and here you can find your current location and jobs and events around you. For example, you can just select the necessary one and read more about it on this page. Just click on it and click on more details. This is how it looks like. Let's click on the next step and online businesses here. So on this page you can find several directions and you can just select the necessary one. For example, beauty, bookstore or candles. Let's click on bookstore. And on this page you can find a lot of different spaces to connect with new friends, for example, or just a new job and so on. And the last step is faves. Here I can add places to my favorite. Just select the necessary space and add it to your favorite. Click on it and here you can click on the heart button. Yeah. And after that you will see it on the faves tab. So the app is very interesting and it's really can be helpful to communicate more with people, and I think my video was really helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and put a like under this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.